Imagine this: you're scrolling through your feed, mindlessly tapping away, when suddenly everything freezes. Your screen glitches, pixels distort, and for a split second, the world around you feels unreal. What if that wasn't just a tech hiccup? What if it was a crack in the code of our entire existence? Welcome to FutureLens, where we dive into the mind-bending possibilities that could rewrite everything you know. Today, we're exploring the simulation hypothesis, the idea that our reality might be nothing more than an advanced computer program. Buckle up, because what I'm about to share could make you question every breath you take. Let's start at the beginning, but with a twist. Picture yourself in a video game, like The Sims or Grand Theft Auto. You control a character, make choices, live out adventures, all inside a digital world crafted by programmers. Now, flip that script. What if we're the characters? What if Earth's the stars? Your morning coffee, everything is simulated. This isn't some wild sci-fi plot from The Matrix. It's a serious theory backed by philosophers and scientists. And it's gaining traction faster than you can say. Red Pill. The man who sparked this modern firestorm is Nick Bostrom, a philosopher at Oxford University. Back in 2003, he wrote a paper that's been shaking minds ever since. Bostrom argues that if advanced civilizations exist, and let's face it, with billions of planets out there, it's likely they'd have the tech to run incredibly detailed simulations of their ancestors. Think about it, we already create virtual worlds with AI that learn, evolve, and even feel lifelike. In just a few decades, video games have gone from pixelated Pong to hyper-realistic universes where characters have their own thoughts. So, Bostrom poses a trilemma: either almost all civilizations go extinct before reaching that tech level, or they are not interested in simulations. We're probably living in one right now. The odds? He crunches the numbers and says it's more likely than not. Chilling. Right. But why does this feel so possible? Enter Elon Musk, the billionaire visionary who's not afraid to drop truth bombs. In interviews, Musk has said there's a 1 in billions chance that we're in base reality, the original, non-simulated world. Why? Because technology is exploding. Look at how far we've come from clunky computers in the '70s to smartphones that fit in your pocket and run entire virtual realities. Musk points out that if progress continues, we'll soon simulate worlds indistinguishable from our own. And if that's true, there could be countless simulated realities stacked like Russian dolls, with only one real at the bottom. So, statistically, we're probably not the original. It's like betting on the lottery, except the prize is realizing your life might be lines of code. But what evidence do we have? Is this just talk? Or is there something more? Let's build the suspense here. Imagine glitches in the Matrix, real ones. Physicists have spotted weird stuff in our universe that doesn't add up, like anomalies in the laws of physics. Take the speed of light, it's the cosmic speed limit. Unbreakable. But why? In a simulation, programmers might cap it to save processing power, just like games limit frame rates to avoid overload. Or consider quantum mechanics, the bizarre rules governing the tiniest particles. Electrons can be in two places at once. Teleport information instantly across distances. That's entanglement. It defies common sense. But in a sim, it makes perfect sense. The code only renders what we observe, saving resources. Remember the double-slit experiment. Shine light through two slits, and it behaves like waves. Until you watch it. Then it acts like particles. It's as if reality changes when no one's looking. What if that's lazy loading? Like in video games where distant landscapes aren't fully detailed until you approach. And it's not just theory, there are stories that make your skin crawl. Pilots reporting UFOs that defy physics, bending at impossible angles without inertia. Glitches in time, like the Mandela effect, where masses remember events differently. Nelson Mandela dying in prison. He didn't, but millions swear he did. Could these be bugs in the program? Or updates from the simulators? Scientists like Silas Bean at the University of Bonn have even proposed ways to test this. They suggest looking for pixelation in cosmic rays, the highest energy particles in the universe. If space-time is a grid, like a computer's lattice, those rays should show discrete steps, not smooth flow. Experiments are underway, but so far, the results are tantalizingly inconclusive. What if we find proof? Would the simulators pull the plug? Now, pause and think. Have you ever felt like life's too coincidental? That dream job landing just when you needed it? Or a near-miss accident that felt scripted? Rhetorical question, what if those are plot twists written by higher beings? Or worse, what if we're in a simulation for entertainment? Like a cosmic reality show. Elon Musk jokes about it, but Bostrom warns if we're simulated, our creators could be anything: benevolent gods, bored teenagers, or AI overlords running experiments. And quantum computing. It's advancing so fast that soon, we might simulate our own universes. IBM and Google are already building machines that crunch problems in seconds that would take classical computers billions of years. If we can do that, imagine what an advanced sieve could pull off. But let's get emotional here. This hypothesis isn't just brain candy, it's profound. It challenges religion, philosophy, everything. If we're code, does free will exist? Or are our choices pre-programmed? Why suffer pain, love, loss? Is it all for data collection? Rhetorical again, what purpose do you serve in this grand sim? Scientists can't explain why the universe's constants like gravity's strength are fine-tuned for life. Tweak them slightly, and stars don't form. Atoms collapse. It's called the fine-tuning problem, and simulation theory offers an answer. The parameters were set that way on purpose, like dialing settings in a game. As we wrap this mind-bender, consider the implications for our future. If we're simulated, advancing AI might mean we're close to waking up, or even escaping the sim. Projects like Neuralink, Musk's brain chip tech, could blur lines between real and virtual. But here's the suspense: what happens if we prove it? Do the simulators intervene? Or is ignorance bliss? So, as you stare at your screen, feeling that tingle of doubt, ask yourself, is this moment real? Or just another layer in the code? Comment below what glitch in your life makes you wonder. Thanks for joining FutureLens. Subscribe for more reality shakers. Until next time. Or is it just a rerun?